Alright, let's talk about the Hemios bracelet. You've probably seen those flashy ads claiming it'll supercharge your energy, boost your metabolism, and basically turn you into a wellness warrior. But is it legit, or just another social media scam? Here's my honest 2-minute review for 2026. First up, the marketing. The Hemios bracelet looks sleek and high-end in the ads, but when it shows up at your door, many customers say it's a totally different story. The elastic cord is flimsy, some people say it snaps within days, and the magnetic hematite beads. Turns out they might just be cheap synthetic hematine. Now, about those health claims: boosting metabolism, improving circulation, reducing pain, and even blocking EMFs. Sounds cool, right? But here's the thing. There's zero scientific proof that magnetic bracelets do any of this. Most doctors and experts say if you feel better, it's probably just the placebo effect. What about shipping and refunds? Well, this is where things get really frustrating. Tons of buyers report painfully slow shipping, sometimes from overseas, plus a hassle getting any kind of refund or customer service. Not exactly the wellness experience they promised. So, is there anything good? If you just want a simple metallic beaded bracelet for style, sure, it's affordable. But honestly, you can find almost the same thing at Walmart or Amazon, usually for less, and with much better return policies. Bottom line, if you love the look, go for it. But avoid buying from those high-pressure social media ads promising medical miracles. Hemios isn't going to cure your stress, but it might stress you out even more. Save your money, shop smart, and keep your wellness journey scam-free.